Parks on the Air activation with the YouTube crew. I got all my friends here and we're doing Yellowstone National Park. I just finished my activation. I got 11 contacts real quick. Let's see what the park looks like for activation before I get run over. We're using the Buddy Stick Pro. We got W5 ITR on the mic. We got KC5 HWB. We got AA0Z and we got KG5 HJ.
Hey, what is up?
Into the park.
Rob is the boss. This is how it's done, folks.
All right, thanks so much for the contact, 7-3. All right, we're gonna have another operator here in just one moment, folks.
CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, Kilo Charlie 5 Hotel Whiskey Bravo calling CQ Parks on the Air.
It should be on the POTA website now. You want to check the POTA spots?
Keep checking.
The master antenna craftsman at work.
Sasquatch.
He's saying something, but it doesn't really matter. Chuck is currently trying to find the sun. He's using his head as an indicator. Yep, it feels hot in this direction. That's where the panel goes.
Check it right now.
All right, Chuck, I'm checking it right now. So we have enough hams and we have enough operators and we have enough club calls that we can activate this park with everybody that is here. So why not? And Mike is doing it in Morse code.
Hi.
Well, my daughter was there and her husband, so they helped me put it on, and I thought I had it marked where it
Come
was.
on, Kyle.
He just called you in Morse code, Kyle.
It looks fantastic.
Robert, hand him a radio, make it happen.
No, they just painted by hand. Me and my buddy painted by hand.
Dude, did it out, it did it.
It's like good old Rust-Oleum oil base.
That's awesome. It'll last a long time.
Really? It sounds like dueling banjos. It's freaking awesome, boys.
Did you spell out please copy again?
Oh fuck! I should have. I was waiting to contact him and say please copy.
Because I was holding the lap in.
KG5AHJ and AYO Flatman.
Riley, stop.
Thank you very much for the contact.
And nothing back from Mike. Ha!
Robert, man, you got a contact? W5 ITR? Hey, my name's Robert. I'll get back to you. This is W5 ITR for KG5AHJ. You're 5'9". 5'9", thank you much for the contact. Javi, K6 TNT, Dynamite!
I have to give Javi the radio.
A radio for him. Do you hear me, my CQ?
What do they do? Yeah.
Luckily, it's 446. Nobody's monitoring.
That's true. Also, yeah.
You're not getting out.
Roger, thank you for the contact and have a good day. Did I miss anyone? Club call, Chuck, KK6 USY.
You got me, I think.
I need two more.
Who'd you miss?
K-Toads.
KG5AHJ, WE4DX.
Oh, we 4DX in the house.
Transmit. Oh, my battery's dying.
Are you allowed to make a club call?
Yes. As long as you're a club member, you can make a club call.
I need a radio. It's 5959. It's dying. It's not letting me transmit because the battery's low.
GSL 5973.
I feel like that was cheating, Mike. That's a low move for even you.
I had a carrier.
59. Thank you very much for the
Not much
contact.
audio.
All right, Frank fixed it.
I need one more
Frank.
ham radio clubhouse.
Oh, Ham Radio Clubhouse is Chad.
He's like, great.
I remember mine. I don't know.
He's waiting to see if...
KG5AHJ, Alpha Hotel Juliet. Go ahead, Frank. Run it.
What is the clubhouse called?
No, W2HRC.
That's right. W2HRC from KG5AHJ.
KG5AHJ. KG5AHJ. This is W. to HRC. You are 5'9".
No, don't confuse club.
Awesome.
Thank you much for the contact. That makes
Totally
10. I
different.
got the park down. Take
Did
radio
you see the one me standing in it with no floor yet?
Another activation in the books. 50 contacts, 5 operators. Fantastic. Nope. No, not really. It was only 40 contacts. Kyle decided not to activate. Frickin' Kyle. There's a video right up here I think y'all will enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.
Take radio.